Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Kendra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Today, I am having my first girls' night in a very long time. I'm very excited. It is just gonna be an at-home girls' night, but doesn't mean we can't get all dolled up and put on full face of makeup just to stay at home. I mean, I do that on a daily basis anyways, but I'm just gonna be a little bit more extra today. So if you guys wanna see how I got this look, then keep on watching the makeup. All right, so just because we're doing a girls' night at home doesn't mean we don't have to look super cute. I'm very excited. It's been so long. Okay, so going in first with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. A little bit of that. Now that that is all nice and tacky, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Easy Drop. And this is in the shade 1, also known as Caspa. Okay, and then first concealer today. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Anastasia concealer and just putting it on the corner here and just a little bit in the places I want a little extra coverage. Okay, and for contour and bronzer today, I'm just gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Fair. Then for blush today, I'm going to take the Rare Beauty blush in Grace, which is this kind of pinky toned one. And then for powder today, I'm just going to go in with the Locket powder from KBD Beauty. And I'm just going to take that on a Bristles Beauty. This is their F10RL brush. Just load the product on and tap. And then I do want a little bit of extra blush, so I'm going to take NARS Orgasm Blush and just add a little bit extra. And for highlighter today, I'm going to take my Scott Barnes palette and I'm just going to mix these four together. And that is pretty much it for base. I'm liking this so far. Okay, I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. Which is today the best day to do this? Probably not. Are we gonna do it anyways? Yes. So I'm gonna take some of this Danessa Myricks Color Effects pigment and I'm gonna try to use that on my waterline. Have I done this before? No. Am I nervous? A little bit. Okay, and then to buff out the bottom of it, I'm just gonna take the Gemini palette from Melt Cosmetics and start buffing. That is actually working not too bad. Not too shabby. Alrighty then. And then I'm going to take with a lighter brown and go right under and just really smoke everything. I like it. Picasso. Right, now taking the Scott Barnes palette again, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner. And highlight the brow bone a bit more. Okay, so eyes are done. Moving on to lashes. I'm going to take the trusty, ever favorited, the Baddie B lashes in the style Baby Girl. Okay, so while the lash glue sets, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm just going to take Terracotta from Huda Beauty. Shocking, I know. I'm gonna take a bit of Sweet Cheeks from Huda. And then to ombre it a little bit, I'm gonna put a little bit of butterscotch right in the center. Some setting spray. Alright, so this is the finished look for a at-home girls' night. Is it extra? Yes. Is that okay? Also yes. Am I gonna go put on sweatpants and a hoodie? Probably. It'll just complete the look, really. Let's be A1. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Bye!